I'm going to show you how to extend the life of your mature okra plants and perpetuate its growth so that it will continue to give you fruits all year round. And it's happening right here, right now. Hello there, my garden friends. I am a rooftop gardener and this is my garden. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and like my video. After 3 or 4 months of supplying you okra fruits, the okra plant starts to decrease its fruit production, especially if you have not pruned it properly. Foliage or leaves start to become slender and star-shaped as compared to the broad leaves when it was just starting to grow. The main stem becomes taller and the pods decrease in numbers. Nevertheless, the okra plant still produces fruits. But these are the signs that you need to do some intervention in order for the okra plant to continue producing fruit. There is a technique called 3G pruning where plants are pruned to produce more branches. More branches means more pods to grow on, resulting to more fruits. Now in my case, I made a little experiment and modified the 3G cutting technique. The first video of my rooftop garden is about pruning the okra plant for better yield. Please click the link above and visit. And please say something, make a comment. I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment. In 3G pruning, you're supposed to cut the apical bud of the plant. The apical bud is the topmost part of the plant where new growth comes up, just like this one. I didn't cut the apical bud. I only cut the mature leaves and left 4 or 5 young leaves and let the okra plant grow. And that worked pretty well for me. At this stage, pods may have already developed and ready to become flowers. And this is the first generation of cutting. In the second generation, the normal procedure is to again cut the apical bud, the new apical buds. But in my case, I do my pruning by just simply cutting the mature leaves from the soil going up, leaving only 4 to 5 new young leaves of the okra plant. And I still don't cut the apical bud of the okra plant at this stage. Now the okra plant has become mature and taller. The apical bud produces few pods, and some unfortunate plants may have been infested with mealybugs, ants, and other insects. And due to these infestations, fruits become deformed and barely edible. It's time to apply the pruning of the apical bud. A pair of garden scissors or clean knife or cutter should be sufficient. Now where do you cut? You scan the okra plant from the top, going down until you reach a node where new growth or branch have started. This new growth is called axillary bud and can be seen popping out of the sides of the main stem. Then you go back up 1 or 2 nodes and do the cutting there. This will give the growing branch some support and protection from insects and fungal infections as the new branch develop. And what is the result? The result is simply amazing. New branches develop as they mature. They produce more pods. An okra plant pruned properly may have 4 or 5 branches that will produce 2 or 3 pods each branch. You will have at least 1 okra fruit every day from any one of these branches. Imagine if you have 10 of these okra plants. That's 10 okra fruits every day. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. And this is purely organic. Now don't even get me started talking about organic, because it will take more than just one video to discuss organic. If you want to know more about organic gardening and how you can use your rooftop to work for you and feed you, click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, press like, and leave comments. I would like to hear from you and know your ideas. I will see you in my next video.